Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be reviewing these eyelashes from MoxieLash. These lashes is a magnetic lashes. No, it's not all the magnetic lash you guys heard about. This one actually come with a liquid magnetic eyeliner or a gel magnetic eyeliner that you apply and the lashes glue to. It's not a glue, it's a liner, and you can take it out, change. So let's do this. I want to show you guys how it works, and I hope you guys love it because I'm loving it. It's gorgeous and it worked. So let's do this. If it is your first time watching me, please subscribe, stay, don't go, join the family. I would like to send a big kiss for my return subscribers. I love you guys a lot, and congratulations for the winner of my giveaway. You guys keep up the good work, and new giveaways coming soon. Okay, let's do this. The lashes came on this little envelope thing, and in here I got 3 sets of lashes, and I used one of them already, and this one was the one that I used. This one is the MoxieLash. I think that's what it is. You guys can tell me. I will link the link below for these lashes for you guys. Classy lashes. So MoxieLash Classy Lashes use with Moxie magnetic eyeliner. These lashes you can use them up to 30 uses. And I'm gonna come close and I'm gonna show you guys one by one. This one is the pair that I already used. That's why it's like a little out of place. But I'm gonna come close and show you guys each one of the lashes. And so I tried this one a couple of days ago. I'm gonna set here a little piece of a video that I filmed when I came home, like I don't know exactly what time it was, but it was late in the afternoon after work all day, and I wear with the Moxie liquid magnet eyeliner, and they sent me two. They sent me the magnetic liquid eyeliner, and they sell me the magnetic eyeliner that is gel too. So I have 2 options. So I try with this one, with the liquid one, and it works really good. You know, first when I got it, I was skeptical about it because you guys know all these magnetic lashes that have been around, they don't work. I tried some of them and I don't even review because they don't waste my time. So when I got this packet, I was excited because it was different. You know, it wasn't like the 2 magnetic that you glue together, and this actually is like a liquid or a gel liner that you put on your eyes, and they have a little magnetic in them, and when you put your lashes on, they just stick to it. And I enjoy a lot the liquid one. And so today we're going to be trying with the gel one. So I'm gonna come close and show you guys the 3 lashes that I got. Okay, so this one was the pair that I used. You guys can see it's out of place here. Yeah, sorry. This one's really pretty and looks natural on the eye. And I use with the Moxie liquid magnetic liner. And this is the second pair. Oh, this one's so pretty. Look at this. This one's the one we're gonna be trying today with the gel liner. So let's see. And this is the name. I think it's MoxieLash. So I am new to them too. So but trying the one that I tried first, it really worked. And here they put a little personalized note, which is very sweet. So Flash lash. Oh my gosh, look at these guys. This one is so pretty. I'm super excited for these lashes because I don't like to wear falsies throughout the day, because normally they like the glue started coming out and my lashes always. And here is the gel, and they also send with a little brush for you apply your gel liner that we're gonna be using now. Yes, so when I got it, I was, you know, a little bit skeptical if it was going to work or not. But you know, I say, all right, let me give it a shot and let's see if it works or not. So I'm gonna get my mirror before we start the application. So, and I think I'm gonna close you guys in on my eyes so you guys see what I'm doing. Alright guys, so now that we are closed, my lips are super dry today, sorry about that. Okay. Alright guys, so here we have the gel liner, magnetic liner. Come really close. So first I'm gonna apply the gel liner. Okay, so I have this side done. Alright guys, so I have my eyeliner in, the magnetic liner in. So now I'm just going to this one, right? So let's go the first one. Oh my god, this lash is so big. So there you have the first one. This is the second one. We're gonna go here. So there we got it. This is how easy it was to put it on. So I'm just gonna go back a little bit so you guys can see from far. Alright guys, so I have the lashes on. This is the Sassy lashes. You guys see how beautiful it looks. It's so big and luxurious. And one thing that I like is for you to adjust the lashes. It's not like the glue. If it comes out of one place, you have to put more glue to hold in place. This one, you take it out, you adjust the way you want, and stay in place all day, and it's very comfortable wearing. You guys can see that this lash is super long. I'm not used to that long lash, and I'm so comfortable with. Super pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to take one out and put a new one in the top of the same liner. So I have the Sassy one in. It's gorgeous, very sassy, and you guys see very comfortable wear. I could wear this all day, I swear to god, because one thing that I hate about eyelashes, always my eyelashes are peeling out in the corner of my eyes or in the end here, and all the time I have to have glue in the bag and just put it on. So I almost never wear falsies if I'm, you know, not filming or doing special events. So I'm gonna take this Sassy out and I'm gonna put the flashy lashes so you guys can see how easy it is to change them. So you just hold the lash and pull it out just like that, and I'm gonna put it back on the little box. It comes with a little magnetic, so your lash should keep pretty in place. Alright, there you should go back in her little house. And this lash is cruelty free, like they mentioned, and you can use up to 30 uses. Okay, so now let's try the flashy one. So you just, the lashes is in a little magnetic that you just, it's so easy to put it on. Girl, these lashes, do you see how easy it was for me to put it on? I don't think in all the makeup video that I did on my channel, I never have one that I'm putting actual lashes on video. I think this one was my favorite. This one and I like the classy one, very natural. I use another day for go to a business meeting. Nobody even noticed that I had falsies on because they're so natural and they fit so perfect. And even this one that's so long, it fits so comfortable. I don't even feel like I'm wearing falsies. Just so pretty. Alright guys, so this is the finished result. I had you guys in as I put it in and out the lashes. This, for me at least, that I'm not good applying lashes with glue at all. This one is the game changer. It's amazing how you just put an eyeliner one time and you can take it out your lashes, you can fix in place, and bam, there she is. And this one is so pretty. It's so big, but it feels so comfortable, you know, because I hate the glue sticking on my eyes, messing up my makeup. These lashes is a game changer. So when I first get it, I was like a little, this ain't gonna work, whatever. When I tried the first time, I was like, what? It worked. So MoxieLash, big thumbs up. This lash is a game changer. I thank you so much for sending me these lashes. These lashes is gorgeous, and I loved all the three of them, the Sassy and the Flash Girl. When I first saw it, I was like, I don't think so, this is too big, it's gonna be my thing. Now that I'm using, what? Yes, I guess I am Sassy and Flash. But I love the classy one too. It was the day that I used for a business meeting. It works wonderful. So yeah, thumbs up to your product. I love it. I definitely recommend it, and I definitely will be using more of your product in the future. Thank you so much for putting your trust on me. So that's all for this video, guys. I will link Moxie lashes down for you guys, and if you guys have any question about the lashes, I'm here. Just drop in the comment below and I will let you guys, I answer any questions you guys have. Okay, so see you guys next video. Bye.